Can face exercises really help you look younger? Imagine a natural way to fight aging without needles or expensive treatments. What if something as simple as face exercises could give you a youthful glow and reduce those pesky wrinkles? Face exercises, often known as face yoga, are taking the beauty world by storm, with promises of tightening skin, strengthening muscles, and giving you a youthful, glowing appearance. But are these exercises truly effective, or are they just another trend? Let's dive in and discover the truth. How do face exercises work? Face exercises target the muscles in your face to strengthen and tone them. By regularly practicing these movements, the muscles become firmer, helping the skin appear tighter and more youthful. These exercises also improve blood circulation, giving your face a natural, radiant glow. Some believe they can even reduce the appearance of wrinkles and make the skin more elastic, creating that youthful look we all crave. However, the scientific evidence supporting these claims is still in its early stages. Experts agree that while face exercises might help, they won't completely erase wrinkles or reverse aging overnight. Face exercises involve repetitive movements that stimulate the muscles beneath the skin. By strengthening these muscles, the skin's firmness and elasticity can improve, reducing the visibility of wrinkles. Popular exercises include lifting your eyebrows, toning your cheeks, and jawline exercises to enhance your facial structure. The science behind face exercises. While scientific research on face exercises is still limited, there's some encouraging evidence. A study published in JAMA Dermatology in 2018 found that participants who practiced face exercises for 20 weeks saw noticeable improvements in the fullness of their cheeks. However, more extensive and long-term studies are needed to fully validate these results. Potential anti-aging benefits. Supporters of face exercises claim they can help. Tighten the skin. Strengthening facial muscles may help tighten sagging skin, giving your face a firmer appearance. Boost circulation. Regular face movements improve blood flow, making your skin glow naturally. Lift your face. Consistent exercises can lift the brows, cheeks, and jawline, making you look more youthful. However, these effects are subtle and require ongoing practice to see visible results. Limitation and concerns. While face exercises can offer mild benefits, they shouldn't replace other anti-aging methods like skincare, fillers, or surgical treatments. Experts also caution that overdoing face exercises might lead to deep expression lines, particularly around the eyes and mouth. So it's important to be mindful of how frequently and intensely you practice these exercises. In addition to face exercises, maintaining a good skincare routine, staying hydrated, and protecting your skin from the sun are essential to keeping your skin fresh and youthful. Professional treatments like microdermabrasion or chemical peels can also complement your efforts. Face exercises may help with toning and circulation, but they aren't a miracle solution for looking younger. They're best used as part of a broader anti-aging routine that includes healthy lifestyle choices and professional treatments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and beauty tips.